It's the 2024 PVL Reinforced Conference semifinal match between PLDT high-speed hitters and the Akari Chargers. Tensions are running high in this 5-set showdown with PLDT holding match point nang biglang tumigil ang laro dahil sa isang challenge.
Cal, upset, it's back, it's up and alive. But there is a challenge called. What could be an net touch sign, and they could be sure of it.
What really happened? At 14-13 in the 5th set, PLDT called for a challenge during the rally, claiming that Akari's Ezra Madrigal touched the net. Umabot ng 10 minuto ang deliberation at humantong sa desisyon na unsuccessful ang challenge ng PLDT dahil hindi raw kasama sa play ang pagtama sa net ni Madrigal. A free point was awarded to Akari to tie the score. Nagpatuloy ang laro hanggang sa nanalo ang Akari kontra PLDT sa score na 15-17. Naging emosyonal ang mga player ng PLDT sa dugout matapos ang laro. Lalo't not 1 point away ang team para pumasok sa finals nang mangyari ang insidente. After the game, PLDT announced na magpa-file sila ng protesta dahil sa controversial play. Nagbigay naman ng paliwanag si PVL Commissioner Sherwin Malonzo kaugnay sa naturang play. Ayon sa kanya, tama ang naging desisyon ng referees na gawing unsuccessful ang challenge ng PLDT dahil wala na raw kinalaman si Madrigal sa play na mangyari ang net touch.
Just show you the video na malayo. So, back nga ba? So, there's the As you can see, the ball. By the time she landed, before she landed, nagdig na si Oli. So it's another action already. Look at the blocker, still landing. She established both legs, both feet on the floor before she twisted. Then she hits the net there at that point. After blocker landed securely, he turned and hit the mesh of the net between the antenna with his or her shoulder. Should this have been called a fault? Okay, that's the question sa casebook. Ruling, no. Okay, because the action of playing the ball was completed before he turned or he or she turned. The contact with the net is not a fault. So yun yung naging case kanina.
Sa inilabas na video ng PVL, ang dig ni Oli Ocaro ay nagsilbing simula ng bagong play sa rally. At habang papak na ng Tara Flex si Ezra Madrigal, malayo na kay Ocaro ang bola. Naging usap-usapan sa social media ang desisyon ng PVL. Hati ang opinyon ng netizens sa kinalabasan ng laban sa pagitan ng PLDT at Akari. Pero ang international volleyball referee na si Wojciech Marosiec nag-react sa X at sinabing kung siya ang referee, he would whistle the fault. Ang volleyball player na si Jaja Santiago nag-react din sa issue, saying na hindi mapiplease ang lahat ng tao. Sa kabila niyan, nanawagan si Jaja na respetuhin ang opinyon ng bawat isa at i-congratulate ang parehong team sa paglaban hanggang dulo. Matapos ang masusing review, nanindigan ng PVL board nitong linggo sa kanilang orihinal na desisyon na naaayon sa FIVB rulebook. Sa latest post ng high-speed hitters sa kanilang page, tila tinanggap na nila ang desisyon with a smile. Sa tingin nyo ba ay tama ang naging desisyon ng PVL? How do you think PLDT and Akari would perform on their respective matches? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For more stories, visit onesports.ph.